So previously, I created a video introducing what prompt engineering is. If you researched it after that, you can see some of the higher salaries that you can get in this field. Today's video is going to talk about some of the possible interview questions that you might see for a prompt engineer role. Let's dive in. If you're new here, my name is the Test Lead, and I make content to help you on your software testing journey. Today's topic, prompt engineer interview questions. Let's get started. First off, general questions. What is a prompt engineer and why is it important? Prompt engineering is the process of designing and optimizing prompts to effectively communicate with AI models. It ensures that AI generates accurate, relevant, and useful responses, making interactions more efficient and meaningful. How did you become interested in prompt engineering? I have always been fascinated by natural language processing and AI. As I explored AI-powered tools, I realized how crucial well-crafted prompts are in obtaining high-quality responses. This led me to dive deeper into prompt optimization techniques and their real-world applications. Next, some technical questions. How do you craft an effective prompt for an AI model like ChatGPT? An effective prompt is clear, specific, and structured to guide the AI in generating the desired response. Techniques such as using explicit instructions, providing context, and setting constraints help refine outputs. Iterative testing and adjustment are also essential to improving prompt performance. Can you give me an example of a poorly designed prompt and how you would improve it? A poor prompt. Tell me about programming. A better version. Can you explain the basics of object-oriented programming, including key concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism with examples? The improved version is more specific, guiding the AI to provide a focused and useful response. Quick break. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need help on your software testing journey, check out my website, thetestinglead.com. I have books and courses to help you along your journey. Now, back to the video. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of a prompt? I evaluate a prompt based on clarity, relevance, consistency, and completeness of the AI's response. If the output is vague, misleading, or incomplete, I refine the prompt iteratively until it meets the desired quality standards. Now for some problem-solving questions. What would you do if an AI model continuously generates bias or harmful responses? I would analyze the prompt to identify potential biases and reframe it to reduce unintended outcomes. Additionally, I would experiment with constraints, context settings, and safety filters to ensure ethical and responsible AI behavior. How would you optimize a chatbot's responses to ensure user satisfaction? I will conduct user testing, collect feedback, and analyze response quality to identify areas for improvement. Using structured prompts, reinforcement learning, and continuous iteration, I will refine interactions to align with user needs. And now, some scenario-based questions. If you are designing prompts for an AI-powered customer support system, what key factors would you consider? I would focus on clarity, accuracy, user intent recognition, and adaptability to different queries. Ensuring polite, professional tone, handling ambiguous requests effectively, and minimizing incorrect information will be top priorities. Describe a situation where you had to troubleshoot an AI-generated response. What steps did you take? In a previous project, an AI-generated response was too vague. I revised the prompt to include more context, tested different phrasings, and adjusted parameters like temperature to fine-tune output quality. After multiple iterations, I achieved a satisfactory response. As you can see, to interview for prompt engineering roles, you have to have the basics of AI all covered, as well as critical analytical skills and the ability to craft and reiterate over prompts. By preparing with these questions, you have a baseline to start out with for possible interviews, as we touched several different sections, such as the basics, scenarios, and so on. If you found this video helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe. Next up, you should watch this video here or this one down here. And more importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.